Hi friend, I have brought to you new ideas about the video, which all the videos goes virals, which will help you to get a more viewers and more subscription and many more. So what kind of video you're supposed to make it? Number one, funny videos. People love to laugh, so create a video that's genuinely funny can be a great way to get people to share your content. Second, tutorials. If you are an expert in a particular field, consider creating a tutorial videos that teaches people how to do something, whether it is cooking, makeup, or DIY home repairs. There is always a demand for instruction videos. Next comes product review. Product review. People love to hear about other people's experience with the product. So creating a review video can be a great way to attract viewers. Next is the challenges. Creating a video on a challenges video can be a fun way to engage with your audience and encouraging them to share your content with their friends. Next comes travel videos. If you love to travel, consider creating a video that showcases your adventure. People love to see exotic location and learn about different culture. Remember, the key to creating a viral video is to be unique, interesting, and engaging. Make sure your content is something that people will want to watch and share with their friends. The consistency is a key to build a loyal audience and increase your chance of going viral. It's important to create and upload content on a consistent schedule. Use attention. Grabbing title, your title is often the first thing people see, so make sure it's attention grabbing and accurately reflecting the content of your video. Optimizing your video for search. Use relevant keywords in your video's title, description, and tag to increase its visibility in a search result. Leverage social media. Promote your video on social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram to reach a wider audience. Engage with the audience. Response to comment and engage with your viewer to build a sense of community and encourage them to share your content. Use high quality equipment. Invest in high quality equipment such as a good camera, microphone to ensure your video looks and sounds professionally. Remember that going viral is not a guaranteed, but by following these tips and creating high quality engaging content, you can increase your chance of success on YouTube. Please follow these all tips which will make your video viral. Best of luck. Thank you very much for seeing the video.